sexy. So I.
But it's a, so I should
Okay.
probably just,
Sexy.
but,
Actually,
That's
water,
maybe a little bit more than that. But, hey.
and,
but,
you know what? Yeah.
Sexy butt.
okay.
That's what I got to say about it. I just got an interesting call from a neighbor. She said her son has turned their tractor over and she needs help getting it upright again. Her son is okay. I guess he was doing something on the driveway and hit a soft spot in the driveway, or maybe slid off and turned the tractor over. So I'm headed down there now to see if there's anything I can do to get it upright again. I doubt I'll do any video. That's always tricky when you're recording someone else and their mistakes. So I'm anxious to see what this is all about here.
Every year I do a bloopers thing sometime.
Can I be famous too?
Yeah, I think because of this hill, with this truck, I may not get enough traction. But it'll give me an idea of how heavy it is.
little bit more.
I wonder if that loader will come down.
It can.
Because if I can have it down.
Use it as a point.
Yep. That way it'll flip on top of that loader and flatten it out.
Make sure you can get it out of there.
And that's how it's done.
That's fantastic. Now, we've got to make sure you can get it out of the ditch forward.
Yeah, that's not a big problem.
Do you want to do that, Donnie? No?
Well, that wasn't as difficult as I thought it was going to be. Only I thought I was going to have to go get a tractor to do that. Because of the hill that I was on, I didn't think I could get enough of traction with the pickup truck to pull it over. But I did, as you saw. Just put it in 4 low and took my time so I wouldn't spin tires. And we got it over there and it started up and off they went. So nobody was hurt in that. I did ask beforehand, before I turned the camera on, if they minded if I filmed that. I won't mention any names. And I don't think I got any of them in the video. I will make sure I edit that out if I did. But quick and easy. I didn't charge them anything for it. It's just a neighborly thing to do. It all ended well. Okay, this is the afternoon of the hurricane that we just experienced this morning. The sun is out. It's 88 degrees. The weather cleared up real quickly. Once that storm moved out, you know, the sun came out immediately, and it's all good now. I'm going to head down to the hardware store and see how they're making out down there, see what they've sold out of today. We had flooding in places because of the 5 or 6 inches of rain, and some roads were flooded, but other than the tornado we had in our local area, things were probably okay because the tide did not rise. So minor issues, small power outages. So we should be okay at the hardware store as far as supplies go. But as I said, I'm headed down there now to figure it all out and see how they're doing. Oh, there goes one of our local power company trucks headed north now. So maybe they're finishing up in the area.